Investing in long-term septic tank care. A septic system is a vital part of any home not connected to a municipal sewer. Proper maintenance keeps it running efficiently, prevents costly repairs, and protects the environment. Ignoring septic care can lead to system failure, bad odors, and expensive replacements. By following simple maintenance steps, homeowners can extend the life of their septic system and avoid major issues. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Understanding the septic system. A septic system functions by breaking down waste through bacterial activity, separating solids from liquids, and filtering wastewater into a drain field. It comprises three primary components. The septic tank, a buried, watertight container that holds and partially treats wastewater. The drain field, a network of perforated pipes that disperses treated effluent into the soil. The soil and bacteria. Natural filtration occurs as wastewater percolates through the ground, neutralizing harmful pathogens. Investing in long-term septic care begins with recognizing the importance of each component and how they interconnect. Key steps for long-term septic care. 1. Pump the tank regularly. Over time, solid waste builds up in the septic tank. If not removed, it can clog pipes and cause backups. Most tanks need pumping every 3 to 5 years, depending on usage and household size. Regular inspections can help determine the right schedule. 2. Use water wisely. Too much water can overwhelm a septic system, leading to failure. To reduce water waste, fix leaks immediately. Install water-efficient appliances. Spread out laundry loads instead of doing them all at once. 3. Watch what goes down the drain. Certain items can clog the system or kill the bacteria needed for waste breakdown. Avoid flushing, wipes, paper towels, and feminine products. Cooking grease or oils. Harsh chemicals like bleach and drain cleaners. 4. Protect the drain field. The drain field is where treated wastewater is filtered into the ground. To keep it working properly, do not park cars or place heavy objects on it. Do not plant trees nearby, as roots can clog pipes. Do direct rainwater away from the area. 5. Pay attention to warning signs. Early detection of septic problems can save money. Call a professional if you notice slow drains or gurgling sounds in pipes. Foul smells near the tank or drain field. Standing water or extra green grass over the drain field. Taking care of your septic system is an investment in your home's value and your wallet. Regular maintenance, mindful water use, and careful waste disposal can prevent costly repairs and keep your system running smoothly for decades. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.